Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you will be fine. Okay, children. We all know that this is the class of maths. Very good. Maths is the one of your favorite subjects. Okay, please raise your hand. Who wants maths learn? Please raise. Okay. So only 5 students do not like maths, and rest of you like. Very good. Now listen, children. So let me check first the attendance. Okay. So how many students are present today? Okay, I am checking here at your Google Meet that out of 40 today 30 students are present. Okay. So how many students are absent? 40 minus 30. Of course. So 10 students are absent today. 10 students are not attending class today. So dear children, you see that out of 40 10 students are absent, and out of 40 30 students are present. So what we can say, that how many students, more students are present and less students are absent. So you see total number is 40, and we have divided this 40 number into two sections. One number of students who are present and one number of students who are absent. So just when we combine these two numbers, we are getting the complete number, and that is the 40, class strength of the class. Okay, so here what we can say, that this complete is divided into two portions, two parts, and the complete this is called as the whole. Complete this is called as the whole. Okay, so you see, I have brought yesterday some new pens, and I want to show you. Please just see and enjoy. Okay, you see what you have to do. You have to count also. What is this? These are beautiful, colorful pens which your ma'am will use. Okay, because you are using pencil in lower classes, and in class 5 also you are using pen. So you can use but blue and black color only. And you see so many colorful, very nice and beautiful pens. So let me count. This is just get. Okay, count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. So how many pens I have total? Total I have 8 pens. 8 pens. Now let us see. You see, this is of orange color. This is also of orange color. Approx orange we can consider. So 1 and 2. Out of 8 pens, color of 2 pens is orange. And let us count. 2 pens of red color, 2 pens of yellow color, 1 pen of blue color, and 1 pen of green color. So again, as we have seen in the case of class pen and present and absent students, here also we can see that we can say, and we can observe, we can conclude that total number of pens is 8, and out of 8, 2 pens are red, 2 pens are yellow, 1 pen green, 1 blue, and 2 orange. So total number 2, 2, 2, 3 2s, 6, 1 7, and 1 8. So these parts are just, when we keep this together, these are forming the complete pens. Total all 8 pens. So here also we can say that this is sum parts of the total. This is the sum part of total. This is the sum part of total. This is the sum part of total, and this is the sum part of total. So in the numbers, what we can say, separately these are parts, and when we are combining together, these are just forming whole. Okay, again let us see. These are few sketch pens. Okay, you can see colors are very favorite to you. Different colors, isn't it? So nice. You like all, na? Okay, so you see again here also different colors are blue, green, red, to yellow you can consider both, and one black. So total, let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we have 8 sketch colors, and if we will just take it only 2, so we are just taking, saying that these are the complete and these are few, means its parts or its some portions. Again, these are again some portions, again it is some part, again some parts of the complete. So separately, if we are taking 2 or 3 or 1, 4, 3, then we are, what we are telling, that these are the parts of the complete. These are the parts of the complete. And if we will just take all the pens together, this will form the complete total number of pens. So my dear students, one more thing. Let me just bring guava for you. Just come. Okay, you see, fresh guava from my garden. 1, 2, and this is 3. So my dear children, this is the total number of guavas which I have in my hand. So this is the total, means whole, means complete. And suppose that if one guava I am giving to Rahul, then what I am giving? Some part. Out of 3, I am giving only one part to Rahul. So I have given, again, if I am giving one part to Sony, so again I am giving one part out of 3. One part out of 3 to Sony, and one I kept for myself. Okay, so separately these are the parts. These are the parts, and when we are combining this, these are forming the total number, means complete. Okay, and this is this. I have one more example. Let me show you that we have just see index of your NCERT book. You can see total chapters, number of chapters is 14, and out of 14 we have already completed 3 chapters, isn't it? And today, what is your 4th chapter? Yes, absolutely right. Your 4th chapter is parts and wholes. Parts and wholes. Parts and wholes. Parts and wholes means some portion and complete portion. This is called the parts and wholes. That's why I show you so many examples. Examples of pen, examples of a sketch pen, examples of guava, examples of your class strength, number of absent and present students. All these are denoting some parts and complete. This course, these are the main concepts which we have to study in this chapter. Okay, so you understand what is the meaning of your chapter? Yes, absolutely right. Parts and wholes. Yes, in this chapter, we will study what is the meaning of parts, what is the meaning of wholes. Also, my dear students, what happens when we write separately 1 and 3, 1 is denoting part and 3 is denoting complete. And suppose that if we want to show, which I am telling you, what I am telling, that out of these 8 pens, out of these 8 pens, 2 pens are of yellow color. 2 pens are of yellow color. So if we want to write in the form of maths, okay, or if we have to express this in the numbers, then what we will do? We will draw sign of division, and after just do the sign of division, we have to count and write total number of pens. So again, let us count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8. So in the form, if you are going to represent these 2 pens out of these 8, these 2 pens are of yellow colors, then what you have to do? You have to draw one line, and below the line you have to write total number of pens, that will be 8. And if you want to represent these yellow pens, then what you will do? You will write 2, because these only 2 pens are of yellow colors. So you will write 2 and division and by 8. So it will be read as 2 by 8. 2 by 8. Absolutely right. And this is called as a fraction. This expression is called as the fraction. Very good. So in this chapter also we will study about this. Now let me remind you one thing. Before lockdown, you used to come to your classes, schools, enjoy, market, picnic, parks, Disneyland, everywhere, and enjoy and study also. But during lockdown, you are at your home and not visiting at any place. But I want to just refresh your mind, okay, and remind you something. You see, are you remembering what is this? Yes, this is the ticket for concession ticket or ticket for students for the Disneyland. Your class teacher have your class teacher or subject teachers have given you. Means this card you are getting from your school also. Okay, so just remind long term. So what's happened that time? You are getting uh, this card and here 50% discount. What is written here? Just see 50% discount on one student. 50% pass. Means if cost of ticket is 10 rupees, and if you are just giving this only half of 10, means half of 10 is 50% of 10, 5 rupees you have to give, and this is valid for only one student. Now why I am just making you rewind. You see, just remember what is the shape of this seat. What is the shape? Yes, rectangle. No? Again, suppose that if we are just folding this seat, okay, now how many parts are there? This complete sheet is divided into, you see this is the lining, okay, and this is the one part and this is the second part. So one and one, two, total two parts. Again, suppose that if we want to divide this fold again, so that there should be these edges just coincide with each other. Okay, now just press here so that there should be lining. Again open, and you see now your complete rectangle or complete ticket is divided into how many sections? Let us count: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now this, if this is unfolded, if this is one folded, this is representing complete one. Okay, and if we have folded into equal folds, this is divided into 4 parts. Okay, let me show you. I have already prepared for you. You see, so that you can, you see, I have just divided and just color. Count: 1, 2, 3 and 4, and each part will be, again we will write. How we will write? We will write it as, since we are taking one part, so ever on the upper side of the line we will write 1, then division sign, again count number of total parts, means 4. So one part will be called as a 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Let me show you another example. Okay, you see, again in this section how many numbers are written? How many equal parts this complete sheet is divided? Yes, count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this complete rectangle or complete ticket is just folded once, twice, thrice, and after opening you are seeing that this complete sheet is divided into total 8 parts, and out of 8 parts only one part is colored with the purple color. Okay, so what will purple or blue, whatever you are just saying. Okay, so this color, this shaded portion or this colored portion will be called as the one part out of 8 parts. One part out of 8 parts. So what we can say, that this is 1 by 8. This is 1 by 8. Now dear children, this is not necessary that we should always fold vertical. Vertical means खड़ी लाइन. ओके, आपको खड़ी लाइन ऐसे याद था ना, मैम ने पढ़ा था खड़ी लाइन वर्टिकल, पड़ी लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल, खड़ी लाइन वर्टिकल, पड़ी लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके, so you see, you can just fold horizontal also. You see, this is your ticket and here I have folded. In this way, this both edges coincide, ये मैच कर जाए दोनों किनारा. ठीक है, इसको बीच से प्रेस किया. अब इसको मैं आपके सामने खोलती हूँ. आप देखो, ये लाइनिंग जो है ये पूरे सीट को आपको 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. सो वन पार्ट, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स 2, and this is 1 by 2. 1 is the selected part and total number of parts. So this is also 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Now you see, this is another example. What you have to tell? You have to tell whether this part is 1 by, first of all let us count how many parts this sheet is divided. 1 2 3 4. Okay, again this sheet is divided into 4 parts, but now the question is whether this is 1 by 4, one part is 1 by 4 or not. You have to say true or false. Just see what ma'am has told you, that you have to divide the sheet or anything equally. But here you can see that this division is small and this is covering more portion, and this is again little bit more, and this is the small portion. Okay, so what is the problem here? That we have divided this complete sheet into four parts, but what is the difference between these parts? You see, just see what is the difference between these two parts. In one part, in this part, all the sections are of equal length, but here all sections are not of equal length, they are of unequal length. So we can say that here each part is representing 1 by 4, but here each part is not representing 1 by 4. So what is the main condition? To divide a thing or anything into number of parts equally, there should be equal division. Suppose that आपके मम्मी ने या पापा ने टॉफ़ी लाया मार्केट से, फ्रूट्स लाया, आपके एक भाई को ज़्यादा दे दिया और आपको कम दे दिया, ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्या होगा, झगड़े होंगे ना, क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या है, इक्वल नहीं है। इसी प्रकार से जब आप यहाँ डिवाइड करते हो तो क्या करना है, आपको इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है, इक्वल पार्टीशन करना है, सबकी लेंथ इक्वल होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, तभी वो 1 by 4 1 by 8 जितने पार्ट्स में आप करोगे वो है, ठीक है। तो आप सबको, मुझे लगता है कि आप सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा। थोड़ी सी एक चीज़ आपसे पूछती हूँ, वन जनरल जीके क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट अवर इंडिपेंडेंस डे, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू नो, ऑफ कोर्स 15th August, and just within few days 15th August is coming, isn't it? So my dear children, what I want to remind you about our Indian flag. Yes, Indian flag. You must have seen Indian flag. Just imagine, I am not going to show you the picture of Indian flag. Okay, this is of tricolor, saffron, white and green. This complete rectangle flag is divided in 3 colors. Trine is 3. So this rectangular shape is divided into 3 colors. Okay, now just think, you have to open your first page, okay, of the chapter, and you will see there that there is the picture of your Indian flag and the flag of other nations also. So just note the 2 homeworks for you. Okay, just go to page number first page and second page of the chapter, and after analyzing and reading and studying, just go through, study once, twice, thrice, until and unless you are understanding the chapter. Okay, so only 2 pages, not more than 2. Okay, so go through these 2 pages. Okay, and after studying, you see you have to complete 2 or 3 questions, not more than that. First one, you have to just write down how many parts of our Indian flag is colored green. In flag, just draw one Indian flag as shown in your book, and just put an arrow from the green strokes, and just write down how you can write in the as a fraction form. This green part is what part of the total, what part of the whole. Again, saffron part is what part of the whole. Again, what white part is what part of the whole. Okay, first question. And second question is that you have to just find out the value of length and width. What is the ratio? Just measure and draw Indian flag in your copy. Also, dear children, you just select you have so many things at your home, even in your school bag, even in your kitchen, in your press, at any classes at your home. So many things are. Just collect different types of things and try to analyze what is the total number. Just combine all this. That will be the whole one, and just keep that total one into different parts, particularly remember. Okay, and that parts will be what parts. So this is our chapter, parts and wholes. Parts and wholes. Okay, so we will study next in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.